Hello guys, today I will create this logo animation in Adobe After Effects like this. Okay, get started. First of all, create a new composition, name this logo animation. Drag this logo into comp, right click, pre-composition, name this logo, move all attribute. Okay, go to presets, search for fill effect, drag this in this comp, color this white. Okay, perfect. Right click, pre-comp, name this logo white. Okay, search for Vegas, Vegas. Drag this in this comp, transparency, wait for 3.5 and 1. Okay, 0, length is 0, rotation first frame to key. Okay, go to 1 and length rotation is 25. Okay, perfect. Okay, sorry, Control D for duplicate this layer, color this gray color for a shadow. Okay, weight is 1.27. okay, like this, and right click, pre-comp, name this shadow. Okay, perfect. Search for CC radial fast blur, drag into shadow layer. Okay, okay, show this comp 96. Okay, change this center here, go to 20 frame, add to key center. Okay, and go to 2 second and 20 frame, change this center like this. Okay, perfect. See, good for me. Okay, key the opacity, press T, add to key 0, go to frame 24, add to key, and go to 2 160 frame, add to key, and opacity 40. Okay, again. Okay, change this like this. Okay, go to there and auto key for the opacity, and opacity is 0. Okay, select this keyframes, right click, easy is. Okay, perfect, like this. Shadow is ready. Duplicate this, Control D, and delete this all keys. Okay, go to change this amount of CC radial fast blur 80%. Okay, like this. Perfect. See, okay. Change this 88 like this. Okay. Center position, auto key, okay. Frame 20, okay. Auto key, and go to 220. To key, change this center position of radial fast blur, okay, like this. Perfect. Okay. T for opacity, how to key, change this 0, sorry, 30%, okay. Perfect. Create a solid, type BG for background is color white, okay. Perfect. Go to the materials, 3D, select all and type the 3D, okay. Material option 0, default is 0, like this, okay. Material, go to material, default is 0, okay. Okay. Right click, create a light, parallel light, 200, intensity 200, cast shadow on, okay. Change this position, okay. Perfect, okay. Change this to white like this, okay. Slightly move up, down, okay. Slightly change this position of this light, go to light setting, change the intensity, okay. Drop this logo comes in blue off, okay. Go to frame 2 second 128, okay. Press T and auto key, opacity 0 and go to 212, opacity is 100, okay. See this, okay. Perfect for me. Sorry, 3D this layer, go to material option and off the accept light, okay. Right click and create a text, types logo animation. Okay, color this black, change this fonts, simple bold, and the size, position this. Okay, copy this opacity, Ctrl C, copy and paste into text, Ctrl V. Okay, see, okay, perfect for me. Okay, create a camera 35. Okay, and 3D this text layer. Okay, go to frame 1, P for position this camera, auto key, change the Z position. Okay, auto key, go to 2 second, change this Z position like this. Okay, and again change this like this. Right click, ease. Okay, okay guys. Okay, perfect. Composition 8 second, duration 8 second. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like or comment. Okay, bye.